In this video, we're going to talk about a new bill that was just introduced to allow H-4 spouses to be able to work in the United States without a work authorization, essentially automatic right to work for H-4 spouses. So if you're interested in that, I'll see you on the other side. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our immigration channel. This is a place where we get the most up-to-date immigration news, immigration information, and everything else that you need to make your immigration journey less stressful. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California, and I help clients in all 50 states and all around the world. In this video, we'll talk about a new bill that was introduced that will allow automatic work authorization for spouses that are here on H-4 visas. But before we talk about that, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. So just a few days ago, a new bill was introduced that will allow automatic work authorization for spouses here in the United States on H-4 visas. As you may know, H-4 visas are issued to spouses of H-1B visa holders, H-2B visa holders, and H-3 visa holders. And as you may know, in the past few years, we've seen so many backlogs, specifically with EAD cards not being issued on time to spouses of H-1B visa holders. And as a result, many of these spouses were losing their jobs, were not able to start work, and that created a financial burden on these families that are already struggling, waiting for so many years to get their visas and eventually their green cards. Many of the H-4 spouses that are currently in the United States are highly skilled themselves, and getting them back into the job market is going to significantly help our economy and, of course, make the lives of these families much easier. The bill was introduced by Congresswomen Caroline Bourdeaux and Maria Salazar, and the bill is called the H-4 Work Authorization Act. And essentially what this bill is going to do is change the current law that requires H-4 spouses to apply for an independent work authorization, EAD, that in some cases takes many months to receive, and as a result creates a lot of hardship in the lives of these H-4 spouses. This act is going to give them automatic right to work in the United States. And again, if this bill is actually going to pass, it's going to make it very attractive for families to move to the United States and seek employment, because once one spouse gets sponsored by a company, they know for sure that their spouse is able to work without the need to wait for many months to be able to get that work authorization. This process already exists for spouses of L1 visa holders and E2 and E1 visa holders. Just a month ago, there was a legislation that passed that essentially said that spouses of L visa and E visa holders can automatically work in the United States without the need for work authorization. And in fact, they've created a separate class on the I-90 form with the notation S for those spouses that once they get their status, they're able to automatically start work. And that is also the goal for H-4 spouses. And this is very promising because we know that it's already been done just recently for spouses of E and L visa holders that went through the same process. Very big optimism that this bill is going to pass and eventually become law and change the lives of so many H-4 spouses. And of course, we're going to be here the first to report to you when that happens. It's very important information because we get a lot of emails and a lot of private messages from spouses of H-1B visa holders that are really complaining, that are really desperate to get their right to work. It's going to be a huge positive information to share with our audience. So once again, if you find this information helpful, let me know in the comments below. If you need help with your particular case, text me 619-483-4549. I'm here for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.